Whoever goes off first wins.
I lose.
She went off the deck like this. Why? Boy.
You lose too.
No, I didn't because I tried to do that.
Oh, too bad. Help! Can somebody help me?
Okay.
Thank you.
We are going to post a link to this if you want to buy your own car. Whoa.
Okay, I'm moving.
What a show.
Oh, wait. Oh, and I'm watching on the camera, so keep an eye out. I don't know what I'm doing. Keep control of me.
Want me to do it for a little while?
No.
Because I don't know how to control it, so it'll be even funnier.
Wait a second. I think I know how to do this. Okay, I got a hold of it. Okay, I don't got a hold of it yet. All right, I'm still moving. All right, I'm moving to the, okay, I'm stuck again. Someone get me out. Is this supposed to be a funny video? Because I think I can do really funny because I don't know how to control this car.
Do funny.
All right, whee! Oh, wait, I'm out of the camera. Oh, now I know where I am. I'm running. Oh, no, he caught me. Help! Someone catch. Owen, they can't see me. No, a little bit lower. Yeah, wait, a little bit lower. All right, I'm good. Does this not tickle? Yeah, I'm free. Oh, gosh. Whoa!